Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to create the Zootopia selfie video trend on TikTok using Capcut. Welcome to another how to search tutorial video. So first things first, what we'll need to do is to make sure that you have TikTok and Capcut downloaded. Once you've got those apps, let's go ahead and go to our TikTok app and then click on the search icon and then search for Zootopia CapCut template. Once you've searched for that, go ahead and click on the first video. Somewhere in the bottom of the screen, you'll see the button that says CapCut Try This Template. Once you've saw that, go ahead and click on that button. And then, once you've clicked on that, click on Use Template in CapCut. It will take you to CapCut and then make sure that you've created the videos and selfies beforehand to make it easier for you. Once you've done that, go ahead and click on Use Template and then go ahead and select the videos and selfies that you wish to add in the video. So let's say I'll choose this pictures and video, then click on Preview, and then CapCut will do all of the editing for you. If you want to make some minor adjustments, go ahead and then click on Export to complete the video, and that's basically it. You can now post the video on TikTok or any social media that you wish to. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Again, this is How to Search, and see you on the next one. Peace.